Hello students, welcome to the Pole Science of class 10, and today we will proceed knowing about various national parties that exist in India. And whatever the list I have prepared, this list is updated as of 16th September 2014. Clear? So in the previous class we understood about the national parties and its definition, according to which when we can call a party as a national party when there are three conditions. A party can be called national party out of the three conditions. Number one condition is that party should secure at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha elections. That means out of 543 seats, that particular party should at least win. Securing means winning 6% of 543. This is the first condition to be termed them as national party. And the second condition is that at least they should secure at least 6% of assembly elections in 4 states. That means they should win assembly elections in at least 4 states. And the third condition is that they should win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha. That means out of 543 seats, if they have won at least 4 seats, then that party may be termed as national party. So these three conditions are there according to which we can call a party as a national party. Clear? So today we will proceed with different recognized national parties that exist in India, with their abbreviation, their full form, their symbol, their foundation year, and the current leader. Clear? So let us proceed then. Now, as you can see in the table, first list is about the name of the political party, which are national parties, then the abbreviation related to that particular party, then comes the third point is the symbol of that particular party, then fourth comes the foundation year, in which year that particular party was formed, and the current leader. This current leader is updated up to 16 September 2014. After that, might be some parties have changed their leader. Clear? So let us proceed then. Number one is Bharatiya Janata Party, and the abbreviation related to Bharatiya Janata Party is BJP. The BJP is currently in power in India, and it is heading its coalition named NDA, and the symbol related to BJP is lotus, and the BJP was formed in the year 1980. That means almost 40 years back, and the current leader is Amit Shah. And if you look at the present time, that current leader's name is JP Nadda. Now the leadership has changed. Now coming to number 2 is the Indian National Congress, and its short form is INC, and the symbol of INC is hand, and it was founded in the year 1885, and its current leader is Sonia Gandhi. And regarding Indian National Congress, it is the oldest party in India. That means it was formed in the year 1885, way before India got independence. Now third comes the Communist Party of India, Marxist, that means CPIM, and its symbol is hammer, sickle and star, as you can see in the picture. And CPIM was formed in the year 1964, and Sitaram Yechuri is the leader of Communist Party of India, Marxist. Now fourth comes the Communist Party of India, that is not Marxist, it is only CPI, and the earlier one was CPIM. So regarding CPI, its symbol is ears of corn and sickle, and it was formed in the year 1925, way before CPIM was formed. and regarding its leader, it is Subharam Sudhakar Reddy. Clear? Then fifth comes the Bahujan Samaj Party, which is also known as BSP, and the symbol regarding BSP is elephant, and the formation year of BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party, is 1984, and the current leader is Mayawati, and this party is very much prevalent in Uttar Pradesh. Now comes the NCP, National Congress Party, and regarding National Congress Party, the NCP, its symbol is clock, and NCP was founded in the year 1999, and Sharad Pawar is the leader of NCP, and this party is very much present in Maharashtra. Clear? So these 6 parties can be called as recognized national parties, starting from the BJP to the Indian National Congress to the Communist Party of India Marxist to the Communist Party of India, then after that Bahujan Samaj Party and National Congress Party. So regarding its foundation year, you can say that the Indian National Congress is the oldest party formed. After that comes the CPI, which was formed in 1925. After that came the BJP in 1900 and not the BJP, then came the Communist Party of India Marxist 1964. After that came BJP 1980 in the 4th number. Then came the National Congress Party in the year 1999. So just go through this recognized national parties list in India and go through each and every point, starting from the name of the party to abbreviation, its symbol, its foundation year, and its current leader. Clear? So with this, I will wind up today's topic related to national parties, in which we have discussed about the definition of national parties along with the recognized national parties that is present in India. So in the next class, we will proceed understanding about the definition of state parties. When we call about state parties, then what does it mean? We will discuss about that, and after that we will go through all the recognized state parties that is present all over India. So please make a note down of all this recognized national parties list in your copy. Thank you.